I am going to present a PPT on village sanitation system. First, introduction. Water is a fundamentally important to human survival and extensively linked with health of environment and economy. Irrespective of its importance, over 80% of water generated by society flow back into the environment without being reused or treated. The quality of wastewater produced and its overall pollution load keep increasing due to increase of population and improved economy. That's why we uh, produce more goods and result of it we generate lot of waste. In the rural areas, for centuries, low population density, it is mean that water consumption level were modest, while population from wastewater was low, and pollution from untreated wastewater has adverse effect on human health. According to a research, 1.8 billion people use source of drinking wastewater contaminated with feces. The combination of inadequate sanitation, poor hygiene, and unsafe drinking water result into a estimated annual burden of 2 million dehydrated deaths. Source is WHO UNICEF 2014. Our Indian government have a vision. All Indian cities and towns become totally sanitized. What is sanitation? Sanitation is the collection and transport and treatment and disposal and reuse of human excreta, domestic wastewater, solid waste and associate with promotion of hygiene. Basic sanitation is the process of safe disposal of human excreta to prevent disease and safeguard human privacy and dignity. Why is sanitation is important? Important for health because good sanitation can prevent you from many diseases like diarrhea, HEJA, and etc. Good economic investment is result a practice good sanitation your family save money and healthcare treatment. And what is step in the process of sanitation are first user interface, a household latrine or public latrine, collection and sanitary pits or septic tanks, conveyance through the sewer system and vacuum suction tanks, treatment through appropriate technology, and disposal and reuse through the appropriate means. And project on Chatarpura village. About Chatarpura, we know that this village is established in a nearby Jaipur city. According to 2001 census of India, the location code and village code of Chatarpura village is 080098. Chatarpura village is located in Sanganer Tehsil of Jaipur district in Rajasthan. India situated 20 km away from sub-district headquarters Sanganer and 22 km away from district headquarters Jaipur. As per 2009 states, Bahapura is a Gram Panchayat of Chatarpura village. The total geographic area of village is 354.84 hectare and the total population is about 408 people and total houses is about 72 houses. And this is the Google map of Chatarpura village. And we calculated that the discharge of Chatarpura village is about 2000 liter per day, and slope is established in southwest, and drainage is open ditch system. Waste. Now we standard about wastewater. Wastewater is has been used that had been already used. It is any water whose quality has been adversely compromised by anthropogenic influence. It can be originate from a combination of domestic, industrial, commercial, agriculture activities, source runoff or stormwater, and the sewer inflow or infiltration. In advanced countries, municipal wastewater, also called sewage, is usually conveyed in combination sewer, sanitary sewer, and treated at a wastewater treatment plant. Treatment wastewater is subsequently discharged into a receiving wastewater storage tank via a discharge pipe. Step of treatment of wastewater: collection, screening and straining, sedimentation, and oxygen pond. Collection system refer to system of underground pipe and maintenance structure that are used to convey wastewater to wastewater treatment facility. We extend the screening process. Screening is the first unit operation used to wastewater treatment plant. Screening remove all the other materials like rags, paper, plastic, which drain out from the our sewer pipe to enter in the sedimentation tank. Sedimentation tank is the process of letting suspended material settle by gravity velocity of water to a point a particle will no longer remain in suspension. Oxidation pond. Oxidation pond dissolve into wastewater from two sources, the atmosphere of and from plants in the water. The primary source of oxygen for a pond is microscopic algae or submerged plant. In the presence of sunlight, these produce oxygen through the photosynthesis and release the oxygen into the pond water. Design of oxidation pond. So we designed this pond for our village Chatarpura, and this population is about 1000 increased by because many time the surface runoff and storm water are also included in it. That's why we increase it, and future population are also included in this. Sewage water we take about 50 liter per capita per day. Organic loading rate is about 200 kg per hectare per day. In BOD about 300 ppm, and length width is about 2:1. Population into per capita sewage is about 0.05 mld, and the surface area of pond is about 750 meter square. Then length or width are calculated by this surface area is about width is about 20 meter and length is about 40 meter. Now we calculated the detention time with the help of the volume and discharge, and it calculated out 11 days. And pond, and we see this in picture that without oxygen the species in the water is origin is very endangered situation. That's why oxygen algae cover the upper surface, and no sunlight is going up to the bottom. That's why no reaction is going photosynthesis and other which present in the waste water. But we see in the second picture that aeration process and the sunlight is present. That's why our wastewater is due to the presence of the microscopic algae and bacteria decompose the organic matter. Wastewater as a resource. Wastewater can be used. The following use are mainly its nutrient can be used for crop production, thus providing significant benefit to the farming communities. Conclusion: we need to improve wastewater management at the heart of the rural economy. The benefits are wide ranging, including energy security and climate change impact mitigation. That's why it's help if government agar intercept in this and it's help in lots of areas in agriculture field. Regulation and support system toward building sewage collection should be made by government. Regulation of disposal sewage that might limited and uses potential. Regulation of sewage treatment and treated sewage quality that will help you in agronomical standard and reclaimed wastewater agriculture reuse and also help to improve the quality of our rivers. Applied research 3 to wastewater based agriculture development. Thank you.